let's try this one. So, in order ko lang din to. I'm gonna try this. So, fresh dried mangoes daw to. So, let's try. So, ang binili ko is with chili powder. Not bad. Hot. Hot. Walang halong eme. May konting sipa ng anghang, pero hindi naman siya ganong kaanghang. Kasi tolerable. Try nyo na guys. Masarap to. Ay, baliktad pa. So, yan. Try nyo na.